By default, WhatsApp Mobile on iPhone or Android does not have any sign out button. So what you need to do is to uninstall the application. Get to the app section of your phone. Alright? Long press on the app and select uninstall. Then it says, do you want to uninstall this app? I'll tap on OK. So if you are using an iPhone, what you need to tap is remove. Get back to the Play Store for Android users or App Store for iPhone users. So here I use Android. As the Play Store opens, be on the Apps tab, tap on Search and type in WhatsApp. Then search, then tap on Install. Hold on for the application to be installed. Okay, the application is done installing. So I'll tap on Open. So once you're here, tap on Agree and Continue. Alright, here it has detected my country and the phone number section I should fill in. I will first tap on Allow. Then look at my phone number here. So it may dictate your phone number automatically. Alright, or if you don't want to use the phone number on the phone, tap on Enter different number. Alright, which is different phone number. Then tap on Continue after that. Everything is set from my own side. I will tap on Next, follow the verifications that may require me to do, and at the end, I will sign in with the new phone number I want to use on the device. Consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.